Hi, superstars. It is time for math. We are on lesson 7-3. Represent subtraction as taking from. Let's look at our worksheet. Marta is watching bugs. She sees 4 ladybugs together in a group. Then some crawl away. Look at the picture and decide how many are left. You can use counters to show what you think happens in the story, and then write numbers to tell how many ladybugs are left in the group. So Marta is looking at bugs, and there are 4 ladybugs. So we can use counters for each ladybug, and we can show how many crawl away. So you can determine on your own how many crawl away from your picture. For me, I am going to have, I'm going to put my counters first to represent my ladybugs. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just drawing my counters there. Now I'm going to say 2 crawl away. So I'm going to put an X on these 2 counters. So that means if 2 ladybugs crawled away, how many ladybugs are left in the group? 2. So I will write the number 2. You can determine how many ladybugs crawl away from your picture and write the number of ladybugs that are left in the group. Let's move on to our next page. Let's listen to this video.
Look at the picture. Tell a story about what you see.
All right, what do you see in that picture? There are 3 caterpillars. We're talking about subtraction, taking away. So if there are 3 caterpillars, we can decide how many caterpillars would crawl away. We could say there are 3 caterpillars and 1 caterpillar crawled away.
Here is one story. 3 caterpillars are in the grass. One of them wiggles away. How many caterpillars are left? Look at the counters. How many counters do you see? There are 3 counters. What do the counters show?
So when we use counters, we're usually representing what is in the picture. So what are these counters representing? The caterpillars. There's 1 counter for each caterpillar.
The 3 caterpillars. Why is 1 counter moved to the side? The counter is moved to show that 1 caterpillar wiggled away. How many counters are left? 2 are left. 3 take away 1 is 2. What does this subtraction sentence tell? It tells how many caterpillars are left when you take away 1 from 3.
Okay, so you can make up your own story about the 3 caterpillars and decide how many crawl away. You can have 3 caterpillars and then 2 crawl away. How many would you have left if 2 caterpillars from the 3 crawled away? You would have 1 left.
There are 2 caterpillars left. Now, is the number of caterpillars greater than or less than the number that was there before? Why?
So there were 3 caterpillars and 1 crawled away. So there are 2 caterpillars left. Are 2 caterpillars greater or less than 3? 2 is less than 3. The answer always has to be less than the initial group because we're taking away. So the answer 2 remaining is always going to be less than the group before.
The number of caterpillars is less than the number that was there before, because one caterpillar wiggled away. Now you know how to tell a story about taking away.
Great job!
All right, let's do the problems below in our guided practice. All right, we have 6 bumblebees. 6 bumblebees in all. 3 bumblebees leave. How many bumblebees are left? So let's write our 6 because that's telling us how many bumblebees in all. There are 6. We're going to take away 3 because 3 flew away. So 6 take away 3 is how many? How many bumblebees are left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So 6 take away 3 is 3. Okay, let's go to number 2. We have ladybugs. We have 7 ladybugs in all. 2 ladybugs leave. So we can mark X's on the ones that leave. How many ladybugs are left? So first we write how many in all. There are 7. 7 take away 2 because 2 of the ladybugs left is how many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 take away 2 is 5. Good job. Let's turn to the next page. Okay, let's do these problems together. We are on number 3. There are 6 grasshoppers on the table. So there's 6 in all. Let's write 6. 2 grasshoppers hop away. These 2 hop away. So let's mark X's on the ones that hop away. And let's write 2 here because they hopped away. So 6 take away 2 is, let's count how many are still here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 take away 2 is 4. All right, let's go to number 4. There are 7 dragonflies. So let's write 7 because there are 7 dragonflies in all. 3 fly away. Let's put an X on the ones that fly away because we're not going to count those. So 3 fly away. 7 take away 3 is how many are remaining? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 take away 3 is 4. All right, let's look at number 5. There are 8 caterpillars resting on a branch. So let's write 8 because that's how much there are in all. 4 caterpillars crawl away. So what do we do next? We mark an X on 4 caterpillars that crawl away. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are taking away 4. 8 take away 4 is, how many are left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's write 4. 8 take away 4 is 4. All right, last one. We have ants here. So there are 10 ants on a picnic basket. 10 ants. 4 of those ants walk away. So what do we do to these 4 ants? We mark an X on them because they walked away. So 10 take away 4 is, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 take away 4 is 6. So 6 ants were left. You're doing a great job, superstars. Keep up the good work. Do your independent practice sheet independently. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.